The motorcycle accident we were involved in was June 2nd of 2019. Car abruptly stopped, and
when the car turned, it actually turned into my ankle. And that's when it knocked me completely off the bike.
Deb broke her ankle, and she had broken clavicle, broken scapula.
I was in the hospital for almost a week. It affected me pretty hard for a while because he had to do everything for me. I couldn't do anything.
Just the accident itself, when you see your loved one on the pavement in pain like that, it's just tough. It's really something you never really get over. I really wasn't thinking about anything law-wise. I was just trying to get her healthy. Then I started worrying about the long-term effects of this accident. So we had insurance, but it wouldn't cover everything. There was a point where I said, we need to talk to somebody. We need to get professional help in this direction. The moment we started working with Law Tigers, it took all the stress off. At that point, Deb was still not completely able to get around as well. Matt said, no problem, I'll just come to you.
My number one job was to try to get healthy, and, was worried about him and his stress level, and Matt took that all away. Made it much easier for him to focus on what was important.
He came in, sat on the couch and talked to us, and it was just a real casual conversation. I didn't have time to do anything as far as the case was concerned on my own, and Law Tigers did it all for me. He's been very personal. He calls half the time it's about the case, and half the time he's checking on Deb. We started talking about our motorcycles, and I started showing him, my motorcycles, and just kind of developed, a friendship out of it. I would definitely tell anybody that has had a wreck on a motorcycle to use Law Tigers. Get a hold of them earlier than I did.